This is the unboxing and setting up of the Bird electric scooter.
While we appreciate your viewing, we are not liable for any damages or injuries that may occur from the construction of this device. This is the model ES1-300 by Bird, purchased off Amazon.
We bought this for about $400 on Amazon, if you're interested.
It's basically undistinguishable from the other ones that you may rent on the street. What a deal. If you need assistance, please call 1-888-970-0751 or email at support@cmswarranty.com. So when opening, the first box we get is filled with the charger itself. Here we have the charger as well as the charger connector. Within the box are two parts. Part one being the handlebar and charging component. The second part being the bottom wheels. Lastly, we will remove the manuals and tools, as well as instructions on how to build the device.
It comes with a wrench, a short screw, a riser lock, and 2 long screws.
Next step is identifying the wires and the corresponding receiving wires in both the handstand steering unit as well as the board riding unit.
So there's a blue, yellow, and brown single pin connector, and then there's a 6-pin connector and a 4-pin connector. And these are the wires that you're going to be connecting.
My recommendation is to lay these down next to each other for the assembly and connection portion of the assembly. I'm going to start here with the easiest wires, blue being the one here. Sometimes these are a little tough to tell if they're actually connected or not. It may take a couple times. Here I'm going to connect the 4-pin. You'll hear a click. It's very quiet. Continuing on, we will identify the remaining wires, being yellow here and brown here. Double check, make sure all your wires are connected. Everything looks good here. And now we will assemble with the charging portion of the steering unit facing the rider.
In total, you're going to connect 5 of these cords.
I find it easiest to set these up standing upright once everything's connected in. It makes the wire portion a little bit easier. You just want to make sure not to crimp anything. Kind of twist. And slowly just loop that down there. Cool. Next step is going to be grabbing our tools and just securing everything in place.
These are the tools that it comes with.
Here we have the riser lock with the corresponding long screws, which will be placed in the back side near the charging port. And then the short screws with the washers, which will go on the front side.
So this is the battery charger with an AC cable, and To charge, you're just gonna take this and plug it in right here on the back of this scooter. And yeah, you'll just plug it in to charge, and then you're good to ride. Make sure to subscribe to Big L Repairs, and I hope you have fun riding your bird scooter. Here's some more instructions. Have a good day.